Welcome, today in front of me VIVO X80 Pro, and I'll show you how to remove SIM pin from SIM card on this device. So let's first unlock our SIM card, and after that let's launch the settings application. Then let's scroll down to the security section and scroll a little bit down to the SIM card lock. Now just here we can see that our SIM card is locked with the PIN code, and to remove this PIN, click only once on the switcher, and after that enter your currently PIN code. In my case that's from 1 to 4. Then just tap to OK, and we can see that our PIN is disabled successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.